We've got here Twitter marketing. It's a real-time interaction with consumers. We have 160 million users worldwide and 60% access Twitter from mobile devices. Will Twitter become the next Google? What do you think? Will people, if you need information, some people go to Google search. That's very powerful. Anyone have considered you go to Twitter and find people and tweet to them?
Actually,
Sometimes it's easier, you're closer to the service provider, you see. And sometimes if you're a service provider or product provider, you're closer to your customers. So you can easily reach them, reply to them, comment to them. The basic features of Twitter, tweets and retweets and the followers and the hashtags. This hashtags has become very powerful, right? Twitter marketing tools promoted tweets. They have promoted trends, they have promoted accounts, enhanced profile page, amplify, so you get a lot of people to television ads, retargeting, lead generation cards. Anyone have used those?
what's lead generation?
Lead generation cards. This is a feature on Twitter, how they advertise. So you create a lead generation cards, which is some sort of like a tweet, but it's not a tweet, and it's something that generate leads to your products. So that's how they do advertising. Okay. Anyone have advertised on Twitter? You guys maybe want to advertise on Twitter, maybe?
Well,
Okay. I don't know for your project. Let's say typical Twitter marketing campaign. It says follow others relevant to your content and conversations. Experiment with simple promoted tweets. Large budgets use promoted trends and TV ads retargeting. Remember, sometimes you open NBC and then there's a hashtag there that says please tweet on this Twitter. For retail, business, local sales, build lead generations. Do you guys remember sometimes you go on Twitter and it tells you what is hot, what hashtags are hot now? So if you click on them, you see all of these tweets are ads, right? They just put the hashtag and they advertise. Measuring Twitter marketing results, similar to Facebook, fan acquisition, engagement, amplification, community, brand strength, sales. Analytics tools, Twitter, they provide you with a real-time dashboard. Tells you exactly how many people saw your tweet, how many people are engaged, how many people. Twitter timeline, activity dash line, and third-party tools. Anyone have used one of these? These are other tools that is also helpful for Twitter. TweetDeck, it can tell you, for example, you say, if anyone talks about this particular topic, and they have more than this number of tweets or retweets, please, show it. Otherwise, don't show it. So basically, it's like filtered based on some criteria. You can search Twitter. Twitterizer, it gives you like more analysis. Back tweets, they tell you who tweeted for whom. Pinterest marketing, it's one of the fastest growing image sharing sites. Enable users to talk about brands. Using pictures rather than words, features, pins, repins, shares, follow, contribute, links to URL, and price displays. So we want to establish our channels on these channels. So it's good that you go and try to do a pin, a share, a follow, a contribute, a link to a URL, and a price display. How does the marketing tools work? You pin it, you follow buttons, pin as display ad, theme-based lifestyle boards, brand pages, URL link to stores, retail brand pins, integration with other social sites, networking with users and followers. So depending on what your product or service is, sometimes, you may find Pinterest very good to build a brand, follow. A typical Pinterest marketing campaign will create a pin brand page, multiple lifestyle theme boards, improve quality of photos, use URL links and keywords, utilize Pinterest products, pins and pinned products, integrated with Facebook and Twitter, measuring Pinterest marketing results same dimensions as Facebook and Twitter. So these social media, everyone has its own unique tools and how you make the campaign and how you measure it. Downside of social marketing, a loss of control. There are ads appear in terms of other content, what people say, posts, comments, inaccurate or embarrassing materials. So that's the downside of social marketing. You can't control everything, right? In contracts, TV ads maintain near complete control. So if you make an advertisement on TV, 100% control. On social media, you make the advertisement, people start to come in, they say bad things about you, or let's see, it says here, this is class discussion, marketing to children of the web is age of social. What do you guys think? Is online marketing to children good or bad?
Depends on the thing they are marketing for.
Like those kids, they see TV, they see advertisements, they go on Facebook, they see advertisements. Is it good or bad? It's okay.
Depends on the
It's good for companies, but it's bad for kids. Because remember, on social media, kids can interact and they can go very deep, right? While TV, you can, close the internet and, close the TV, but online they are engaged. What's the Children Online Privacy Protection Act? And how does it protect the privacy of children?
like certain age to
Yeah, you have to be a certain age in order to register. Do they enforce it?
Facebook do this.
Yeah, Facebook, they do
But they
that.
can lie.
Kids lie.
They can change my. Yes, they can lie.
How do companies verify the age? Do they verify the age or just kids put 13 years old?
Yes, they do this from the birthday party.
From the birth date? What if they lie about their birthday?
I don't know how they.
Sometimes they could take credit cards of the parents maybe. Or, should companies be allowed to target marketing efforts to children under the age of 13?
No,
Is that bad? They should not? No?
because under
Okay.
age of 30 they cannot.
It says here, mobile, okay. Let's see, the mobile marketing, it says more than 246 million Americans use mobile devices. Is this like a big number or a small number? This is like similar to the population number. 140 million use smartphones, devices used multiple times per day. You can see now there's like a full replacement of smartphones over the old mobile phones. Do you still see non-smartphones? Do you still have anyone in your family or your neighbors who still use a non-smartphone?
But there are small.
We still have those. But in the near future, they don't manufacture these anymore, right? Because those smartphones, they're like very minimal prices. Mobile marketing formats, banner ads, rich media, video ads, games, email, text messages, in-store, QR codes and coupons. Are you guys familiar with all of these? Do you know all of these? You know what's a coupon? You give you like a short code that you put on the website to get a discount. QR codes that you see them on the streets, you just scan it so it takes you to that. Sometimes inside the store you get a message, they realize you're in. Here we've got the growth of mobile commerce. You can see that there's a big growth, m-commerce, non-mobile, business to consumer. How people use mobile devices. We've got largest use, entertainment. Okay. So you see a lot of advertising along with entertainment. Increasing user search, restaurants, deals, people, places. 25% of Google searches are from mobile devices, and that's an increasing number. 7% of mobile users shop, and tablets are fastest growing source of mobile revenue. Do you guys think these numbers are small, or growing, highly growing? Okay. Here we've got people use the mobile for entertainment, socializing is number 2, and then shopping, performing tasks, finance, shopping, planning, trips, news, information, hobbies. Okay. We've got here in-app experiences and ads, mobile use apps 80%, games, social sites, Discovery search, browsers is 20% only. Do you guys agree with these numbers? Does these seem to reflect you? Do you think you use applications 80% of the time, browsers only 20%? Do you agree that you use 42% of your apps for games and entertainment? More or less? Like half of your time using mobile apps is for entertainment and games.
Yes. No, it's like playing
Less? More? Yeah. What about social sites? Is 30% about right? More or less?
for us or for the
For you?
social entertainment. It's not that much. I'm using it for social sites.
Yeah, what about discovery and search? Do you use 25% of the time search? Most effective in-app ads. Place it in the most popular apps, targeted to immediate activities and interests. Okay. Let's see, consumers becoming multi-platform. Desktops, smartphones, tablets, and TVs. 90% of multi-device users use multiple devices to complete actions. View ad on a TV, search on a smartphone, purchase on a tablet. Do you guys do that? Okay. You see an advertisement on TV. Okay. You search more about it on your mobile.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And then when you decide to buy, maybe use a tablet or use your marketing implications, consistent branding, cross-platform design, responsive designs. So here it becomes, did you see those websites where are very interactive? Like what you see on the website is completely different than what you see on your mobile. Maybe IT people can tell you more about this. Mobile marketing features, 20% of online marketing. Dominant players are Google and Facebook. Mobile device features, personal communicator, organizer, screen size resolution, GPS location, web browsers, apps, ultra portable personal and multimedia capabilities. So these are lots of mobile marketing features. Here we've got the top mobile marketing firms by revenue. Mobile, Google, they get 3.9 billion.
Yes, the first.
Facebook second. We've got and then we can see the others. These are other websites that generate mobile marketing. Mobile marketing tools, ad formats, mobile marketing formats. We've got search ads, display ads, videos, messaging, SMS, coupons, flash marketing messages, other email and sponsorships. Are you guys okay with these? You understand all of these concepts and terms? Yeah? You understand these? Mobile interface, versions of social network techniques. There's a lot of interfacing between mobiles and social networks. Many times you see apps that will tell you like on Facebook. And mobile ad spending by format. We can see display is 2.8 billion, videos, 500 million, SMS, others, search. Mobile marketing, Land Rover seeks engagement on a small screen. Why do mobile devices represent such a promising opportunity for marketing?
What's the opportunity?
It's always with the customer.
Because the customer always holding their mobile phones. Everywhere they go, they want to search. It's very easy access, close with the customer, full of information. Like the customer has a mobile that has a processor and a memory and a hard disk and can be used for. So that's a big opportunities. Have you ever responded to a mobile marketing message? Anyone?
Yes.
Yeah, you get an SMS, you sign up for the service, you sign up. What are some of the new types of marketing that mobile devices have spawned? What do you guys think?